Chelsy, hello. Hello. Hey. Hey, Chelsy. No. We in Danin, downtown. We just
Daddy,
passing by.
what says that? Daddy,
that
Daddy,
boat owners only.
Daddy, what says that? Look, this. What
Yeah.
says?
Boat owners only.
Why? When she,
That means we cannot go in there.
why?
Why? Because they own that boat. We don't own them. Okay?
What if we can't go inside?
Okay.
What
Hey,
if we
let's
can't
go.
go inside?
You want to go over here? Let's walk. Let's walk and see what's up there.
What if we can't go inside?
Yeah.
Why?
Not yet because they're not open because the hurricanes are coming. Yeah. A couple of days, hurricanes coming around here.
Oh,
Yeah.
is this the chair?
Chelsea, say hi.
Hi. What says that too?
Go slow, okay?
What says that too?
Yeah, no entry. Boat owners only. That means you cannot enter.
What?
Yeah.
ไม่เข้าไปบ่ได้
ไปบ่ได้ละ because จ้ะมันบ่เป็นของเฮาเด้เพิ่นบ่ให้เข้าไป
How about this one?
แม่นละ the same
How
คือกัน
about
หั่นล่ะ
this? What say?
Yeah,
Tell me.
boat owners only เจ้าของเรือนี่
เรื่องหยัง
ให้มีแต่เจ้าของเรือเข้าไปได้ เจ้าเข้าไปบ่ได้ Okay? Come on. Let's go. All right. Oh, look at the bird. Look at the bird, see? Nice bird, see? Look at the bird. See?
I like the color.
Nice. Yeah. Beautiful.
I like the color black.
Yeah. Downtown Danny. It's got nice court here.
ดู
Beautiful small city. It's about 10 minutes from where we live. 10-15 minutes. Another nice little town. Nice and breezy. I know it about a couple of days. There should be
Daddy, what says that
hurricane
Daddy, what says that
heading to this area.
Daddy,
A little windy.
Daddy,
Huh?
what says that too?
Yeah.
What says that?
Oh, same thing.
How about this
No
one?
entry. Boat owners only.
How about this one?
มีแต่เจ้าของเรือเข้าไปได้
How
ดู
about this one?
Same.
Daddy?
Same.
Tell me again.
Yeah.
Can
Same.
You tell me.
Yeah. Only boat owners can go in there. Right?
Go on the
The owner of the boat can go in there.
What's
That's water. You wanna see?
that?
Okay. That's water. Oh, nice. Beautiful little place. Uh-oh. Hi. See the little dog? Let's go. Let's go over here. That's the famous Bon Appetit restaurant. Bon Appetit. Right at the water. Fine dining on the water. Oh, where? Here we go. What are you doing, Chelsea? Yeah? Shell? You correcting the shell? You wanna see? Hey, wanna see the dolphin? See the dolphin? Yeah. There we go. We're at the world famous restaurant Bon Appetit. There it is. That's the city where we're at. Down in Florida. Beautiful little town. Yeah, just a few minutes from us. Okay, check it out. Yeah. Yeah. That look kind of funny.
Ouch.
Okay, let's take it out. Let's take it out. All right. Uh-oh.
Ow.
Sorry. Okay.
Can we take me to Dollar Tree?
Okay, we'll go Dollar Tree later on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's walk to the water. Walk to the water. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes.
There's the most different shelf.
Yeah, wear your shoes.
The shelf
Yeah.
side.
Let's go. Let's go check it out. Beautiful place, yeah. Let's go.
This one. That's the shelf.
Yeah.
Look at this one. You like nice flowers?
Yeah, beautiful flower. Wow.
Let me
Kinda-
look.
Oh, Ehoy. Shell. Shell. What's this? Rock.
It looks like a puke rock.
That's cool rock.
Good.
Let's go. Hey, go. Over here. Let's go over here. That's over there. It's Clearwater Beach. Clearwater Beach on the other side. Yeah. Yep, that's Clearwater Beach. They said you can see the manatees here. Manatee. That's your school mascot, Chelsea.
Is it cafeteria?
Hey, what's in your mouth?
Huh?
What's in your mouth?
What
The flower. The flower things. Poland. Let's go. Let's go. We'll walk around here. We'll see what's up. Let's see what's up. People are coming to enjoy the nice weather. Calm before the storm.
What?
Nice and calm.
What?
Oh, sun out finally. Little overcast here in Florida. Look at the bird.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Yeah.
Birds.
Hey.
Bird.
Yeah.
Bird.
That's.
Bird.
Hi, bird.
Bird.
Let's go.
Look at that dog.
Over here. Bon appetit. They close.
There's
They
flowers.
close.
Huh?
Because
They're closed.
yeah, they close. Because the hurricane will be coming.
Hurricane.
Yeah. Hurricane will be coming. Over there is Clearwater Beach. World famous Clearwater Beach. So we are so close to everything.
The truck closed.
Yeah. We are so close to everything here. Right, Chelsea?
You gotta see.
Thai hope.
I wanna see.
Over here. See? See? We're just enjoying the view here. Beautiful place. Yeah. Yes. Beautiful. Hello. Beautiful place. Over there. Clearwater Beach. Little island over there. Chelsea.
Sit down.
Want to sit down? Okay, let's sit down.
What's that? Look.
Huh?
Look at that big bird.
That's a nice bird. Hello. Hi, Chelsea. You want to hold
I
it?
want to hold it. I'm
On.
not going to drop it. I'm not going to drop it.
Okay.
I'm
There
not
you
going
go.
to drop it.
Okay, just hold it. Hi.
Hi.
Peace. Florida. Danny in Florida. So we just checking out the weather here. I know we expecting a hurricane to go slightly south of here. In they're thinking Port Charlotte or Sarasota. So, but we still gonna feel the effect around here. pretty strong wind as well. Understand that? All right, we can sit down here for a little bit. Hello. What's that? Huh?
Is it Harry?
Go ahead.
Hold it. I want to hold it by myself.
Just go slow. Just have to be firm. Just firm, okay? All right.
Can I hold
Behind
it?
us is Clearwater Beach over there.
On the beach.
Yeah, on the other side. So
It was tornado sirens.
we got beaches all over the place around us here.
Daddy, what was tornado sirens?
Huh?
Tornado sirens.
Tornado.
Can I hold it?
Oh, not yet. Over here.
Okay.
Here we go. You can hold it.
Can I hold it by myself?
Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Slowly. Very slow.
Don't
Okay.
hold it, Daddy. Hold it slowly.
Okay.
Look, don't hold it, Daddy.
Okay.
It will kill water beach and we are the
Daddy.
kill water beach.
Now in Danin. Danin.
And the ends
Yeah, like port.
like
Go slow.
port. And we are on the way. Look at check the water.
Look at the beautiful water, huh?
Look at the beautiful water.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is
It's what? There might be there's gonna be a hurricane coming around here.
and hurricane come here tomorrow because and the hurricane not coming today.
Not today, not yet, but it's
And we can't go inside and
yeah, it's gonna come like
3 hours.
maybe tomorrow and the following days. Okay.
Yep, and it's gonna be raining tomorrow.
That's right. It's gonna be raining, Daddy. That's right. Yeah, so right on that. All right.
Look at the ducks.
Careful, careful. There you go. There you go. Smile. Yay. Go slow, go slow. Where's the bird? Uh-oh, bird poo-poo. See? Poo-poo. Don't touch it.
What's that?
บ่ต้องจับเด้อ That's bird poo-poo ขี้นก 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 So it's very overcast. Apparently this is the outer band of the hurricane, but there is no rain yet at this time. I'm thinking it's gonna rain tonight, so and it's gonna get rough tomorrow. Danin Marine, actually. Chelsy? Want to say peace?
Daddy.
Huh?
Release it.
You what? Say what? No, put your head back in. There you go. That's good. Hello. All right. There's a beautiful place here.
They're moving all the 420s now.
It would be very beautiful, the sunshine, but not today, at least for a few days.
Daddy, can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
Not
I'm
yet.
gonna take a picture of it.
Okay, on. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I? I want to eat the shells. I'm gonna eat the shells, Daddy.
No, that's yucky.
I- oh,
ท่าคอน่ะ
Look at the unicorn.
Oh, nice. ไม่อย่างนั้นเลย Let me see. Oh, wow. That's a nice shell. Yeah? That's a nice shell.
What ambulance? Ambulance.
อากาศดีไว้เมื่อนี้นะมีลมบ่ฮ้อนปานใด Get the boat Chelsy บางเรือไหมลูก Get the boat Wave goodbye Wave goodbye นี่ก็เล่นซิดเบ็ดบนสองคนมีคันเบ็ดรถยัง Chelsy รถยังฮะรถแอมเบลันนะโอเครถดับเพลิงย่านบ่บ่ย่านบ่มัน
Yung pa kilot ay.
ไปหมดไฟใหม่ไปหมดไฟโอ้ยเจ็บลุกขึ้นปะพอแล้วเอาเชี่ยวเอาอีหอยออกฮะ
Gorilla. It's gorilla. Look at the gorilla. I love favorite color. Okay, what's my favorite color?
What? Blue no
Huh?
pink
No?
what
Yep.
kind
Pink.
pink okay
What's your favorite
what's
color?
daddy's favorite color
Yours blue.
yeah right good guess
Huh?
good guess
What's your favorite color?
สีฟ้า blue สีฟ้า blue นะลงมามันสิหักของคน let's go
How about this?
yeah